How's it going, everyone? Jacob Rothenberg here. And for those of you who don't know me, I am a friend of Dale L. Roberts. And the reason why I'm making this video is primarily for those of you who are in his group. So if you are either an author or someone that wants to get started with making money online with the self-publishing business, I've got a treat for you. There's just so many ways to make money online beyond publishing books, and there's another way of monetizing your writing. There's even a way to get started without spending any money at all up front and not even having to do the writing yourself. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about a way that helped make me $700 profit in a single month back when I was starting with self-publishing in 2017. Again, this is a method that requires no upfront capital whatsoever. You can get started with nothing. You can be anywhere in the globe and pull this off. So in order to learn how to do this, just join Dale's and Kevin McGuire's new group. It's called Making Money Online the Right Way. Link is below in this YouTube video. And there's really no gimmick here, guys. There's no opt-in page. There's no trickery to get you signing up for a course. This is absolutely free. And once you join the group, you'll see my guide on what I'm talking about. And getting started with making money online couldn't be more easier. So till then, guys, see you later. Take care.